If you've got a larger property or serious cleanup work to tackle, the Cyclone Rake Dual-Pin XL Super is built to take it on. At the heart of the XL Super is a rugged 10-horsepower, 19-liter Briggs Stratton Vanguard engine, available in standard or electric start. It powers our Super-Flow Miracle Impeller, and together, they move debris quickly and efficiently through the 8-inch JetPath Vacuum System. That extra power handles heavy leaves, wet debris, and yard waste with ease, delivering the kind of commercial-grade cleanup performance demanding properties require. The Dual-Pin Hitch System keeps the unit stable and easy to control, helping prevent jackknifing when backing up so you can maneuver with confidence. And with a massive 415-gallon collector, the XL holds more debris in a single load, letting you work longer and unload less often. When the job's done, it folds up flat for easy storage in your garage or shed. Built for power, capacity, and dependable performance, the Cyclone Rake XL Super helps you tackle the toughest yard cleanup jobs and keep your property looking its best, season after season.